Alright, so today I am making some Skyline sound diffusers. I have some good wood glue, but a flat panel and 49 feet total of the 1 inch by 1 inch, which will get chopped down, sanded. Home Depot was great, cut them in half for me at about 4 feet each. Yeah, gonna make some sound diffusers. Bought some spray paint because I'm gonna color them. I'm gonna do the center, probably the blue, and the outer edge black, and I will speed up the video. So total, I have about 49 feet. Each cut is based on the frequency, the longer ones for the low end. I'm doing about 38 cuts at 2 inches, 38 cuts at 4 inches, 40 cuts at 6 inches, and 15 at 8 inches. It's time for a lot of cutting. Really, to make this easier on myself, I have a cordless DeWalt. The lineup on the measurement on that circular saw is way off, so I'm going to use this one instead. Alright, so I moved inside the garage just to make it a little easier for myself. It's a little sunny out. Also, I have a clamp here in the garage. Stuck a white rag around it because it's got teeth to kind of protect the wood, hold it tight, work safer. Save the fingers. This thing needs a battery charge. I'll be back. Alright, so I have all my blocks sorted, sanded. I have my 8-inch, 6, the 2 are in there, the 4 in there, nicely sanded and separated. I'm going to cut this board down to size. I'm going to make 2 17-inch panels. It'll go about right in half. First, I'm going to start laying out the pattern and gluing those together. Alright, I got a nice 17-inch piece cut. Sanded the edges to make them nice and smooth. Stored the extra wood. And now for gluing the blocks together in the pattern they go in, I'm going to use a nice flat surface, and I know this is very flat, this piece of marble. That way when I glue them in together, I get them nice and tightly together. It's coming along. Alright, so I am almost done here. I did most of the layout. Gonna let it set overnight for all that glue. Won't be able to see it, it'll run clear. And then I will cut it down to size, or maybe add some more onto it, and then spray paint it and make some borders. Spray paint them a different color. And that is a freshly finished, freshly painted I used about half a spray paint can, was able to get the whole thing. I might build a frame for around the sides out of 2x4s, although we'll make it pretty heavy. I'm going to decide if I do, I will spray paint those black.